Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and thank you for clicking this video. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the book cover keyboard, and yes, as you can see, I got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 last week and I have made the unboxing video for it, and I highly recommend you to watch it first. I'll put the link on my description box. And here's the inside of the package. You'll get three main things from it. The first is this is the back of the case, and the second is the manual book, and then the third is the keyboard. And here's the back of the case. This will be used on the back of the tablet, and there's a place for the S Pen and also the hole for the camera. And this is the manual book, just a simple manual book. And finally, the keyboard. The surface is very good, very smooth and elegant. I really like it. And it is very easy to put it on because the case using magnet to stick with the tablet, and you don't have to worry to scratch your tablet. And moving on to the S Pen, it is very simple. You just have to open that side of the case, just put your S Pen like that. The bookcase make it very convenient because you can use it for working, playing games, or even watching movies, because you can use it in many angles of your preference. As you can see from that, the touchpad is pretty good, there's no delay, and the sensitivity is pretty good. What makes me really happy using this is because they have 16 intuitive function keys and bigger touchpad, which is 42% bigger than the Tab S6, and the keycaps is 18.3mm key pitch, which is slightly bigger than the Tab S6 too. So that is all from today's video. What do you think about it? Please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it to your friends. See you at the next video. Bye bye.